Okay, if you're at a computer, you go to products. Once they pull up, you want to search a tag. So it says tagged with, and then whatever day you're doing, type in the day, hit enter. And now it says tagged with Thursday, and you want to do active. Oops, so I guess you have to click active first, and then so now it says status is active, tagged Thursday. All these are the items that you want to go and revise them or renew them on Facebook Marketplace and change the price, and then go into offer up and delete the old one and update the new one. There's 50 per page. So once you get done with those, you want to go ahead and do the second page. And when you do the second page, just double check that these are the ones that are tagged Thursday. And then you'll want to go to a third page. There should only be 2 pages and possibly a few items on the third. It's 50 per page, so that's 100 for the first 2 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 106 items that needs to be done for today. All right. You can also do it on the cell phone. You go to products, all products, active, and then you type in Thursday, and it pops up, and that's the list. Those are all the ones that you can do. For some reason, when you go to filter, you should be able to say tagged with and type in Thursday, but the cell phone app is not working for that. You can try it. It might be easy to do that, but anyhow, you can also do it by going through active and type it in Thursday. So just let me know if you have any questions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and repost one of these so you can see how it's done. You go into Shopify. I already have Thursday pulled up. Start with the very first one and go in order. It's alphabetical, the way that they popped up, so you can always know where you left off. You go into the pictures, save them onto your phone. And whatever pictures are there, you want to save them in the same order. And if there's ever a picture that's better to display it, normally this should be correct. You could always move it so the first picture, they can see the whole thing. And then I clicked the title, and I'm copying it. I'll go into offer up. I clicked home, and you want to search offer up. And if you search with the same title that we have, it should pull up. If for some reason it doesn't pull up, only use the first 3 or 4 words of the title. Okay, so it looks like maybe it was never posted on here ever. But what we're gonna do is create a new one, add the pictures in the correct order. Done. And then you go to the title, you paste it, hit next. Then you go back to Shopify, copy everything in the description. And when I'm there, I'm normally look at the price at the same time. Go back to offer up. Double check the category. Seems good. It's actually a table though, so we're gonna switch it to furniture. 80% of the time they have it correct. I'll put $75. Next. Always say shipping is not available. And then hit post. So that's done. What we would have done though, if it was listed, we would have deleted the old listing so it's not duplicated. It's very important to do that. And then we go to Facebook. We go into Marketplace. Go into selling. And if it's not a new item, if it's already out there, you go to your listings and you search for it. And I'll use those keywords. Oops, actually that's wrong. The title, glass top table. And you find it. It's the very bottom one, the 4-foot one. You go to edit listing. Lower the price. Save it. And Facebook is easy because you don't have to redo it once it's done once. Then you hit more, and then you hit renew in Marketplace. Renew not yet available. You can renew it in 7 days. That's just because I was using this one as an example, but it should always let you because you'll be doing this every 7 days. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one because I didn't do that one correctly because it was never posted on OfferUp. 4 large fun is the next thing, so I go into it, do the same thing, save the pictures in whatever order they are. My phone's going slow because my battery is low. It's normally pretty quick to do this. At the same time, you want to go ahead and grab the title instead of going back and forth. Every time you go back and forth, it takes time, and you want to do it quickly as possible. Then you go to home, and you want to search to delete and remove the old listing. It did pull up, so let's see. Being really slow. Oh, it's also because I'm doing the record feature on the phone. Oops. Either way, you go to it, you go to manage this item. You don't want to mark it sold because we haven't sold it. You want to hit the 3 dots and hit archive. And now it's archived. And what that does is if you go to search it, you can no longer find it because it was removed from their database. So then you want to go ahead and post a fresh one. Start with the first picture. Paste the title. And go back to Shopify. Pull the description. Oh, it says $100. Double check category, it's good. But the amount, right here, we don't ever want to ship. So if it says that, just remove it. Hit post. And that's finished. And then we would go into Facebook. Marketplace selling, your listings, search, art. Okay, I guess we have a lot of art, so. What was the name of them again? 4 large fun. 4 large. Pops right up. Go to edit. Change price. And then once you save it, the most important step is to make sure you remember to renew it. This one also isn't ready. but this is just an example. They'll be ready whenever you get to this step.